to Our Voice News with me, Alvia Siddiqui. Let's take a look at the headlines. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority issued an order on Wednesday banning all cultural events and gatherings for Christmas and New Year celebration in the national capital in view of rising cases of Omicron variant. The DDMA instructed the district magistrate to take all required measurements in their respective jurisdiction to control the spread. The Mumbai police on Wednesday said it has not found evidence of extortion in connection with the drugs on cruise case in which Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan was arrested. News agency ANI reported. Investigation of alleged extortion matter in connection with drugs on cruise case halted until next order. Union Minister Pralhad Joshi on Wednesday launched a fresh attack on the opposition over repeated disruption during the winter session of Parliament that came to an end during the day, stating that the opposition is unable to digest the mandate of 2019 that gave the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party an overwhelming majority. Joshi said the government wanted to run the house, but the former wasted too many days creating ruckus without any discussion. As many as 7,306 Pakistani nationals applied for Indian citizenship till December 14, 2021, Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai informed Parliament on Wednesday. Pakistani nationals account for nearly 70% of the 10,635 applications for Indian citizenship received till the specified date, according to the data provided by Union Home Minister. The country has so far reported 213 cases of the Omicron variant of coronavirus, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav's wife Dimple and their daughter have tested COVID positive. Dimple Yadav and her daughter Tina have isolated themselves at home where they are being given necessary treatment. A 27-year-old man from Mumbai has been arrested for allegedly marrying a 15-year-old girl and raping her several times. The mother of the girl, the parents of the accused, and the cleric who solemnized the marriage were booked under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 and Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. The Enforcement Directorate has refused to downgrade the lookout circular issued against Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez in connection with Rs 200 crore extortion case involving conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar, as per sources. At least 29 students of residential school in West Bengal's Nadia district have tested positive for COVID-19, an official said on Wednesday. After Congress, it seems the Trinamool Congress has rubbed Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party the wrong way. The Delhi Chief Minister, who is in Goa to further his party's agenda ahead of the 2022 elections, on Wednesday tore into the Mamata Banerjee-led TMC, which is leaving no stone unturned to expand its footprint across the country and has set its eyes on Goa. The two leaders are known to share a warm bond, but ahead of the 2022 Goa elections, it's daggers drawn between the AAP and Trinamool Congress. We shall come back with such hot and happening news in and around the world. Till then, keep watching Our Voice News, not only in social media platforms but also in television with Hathway Connection in channel number 877. Thank you.